there are different kinds of powers of attorney. The first one we're going to talk about is the medical power of attorney. Here in Texas, the medical power of attorney is statutorily promulgated. That means the legislature has set out the form that they want us to use, and we must use a form substantially similar to what they've put out in the legislation. The medical power of attorney covers, as you might expect, all medical decision making. You can limit it to say some things the medical agent can't do, but in general you're going to say the medical agent can make any decision for you that you could have made. By agent, I mean the person who you appoint to handle decisions for you. That's called the agent or the attorney in fact. Your medical agent is going to be someone who can be an advocate for you. You don't want someone who is shy about making your wishes known. You don't want someone who's going to be a wilting violet. No, you want someone who is going to go up to the medical providers and say, my person wants this. This is what my person would want. Now remember, the medical power of attorney only becomes effective upon your incapacity. That means that if your physician has determined that you're unable to understand the nature and consequences of your illness and the pros and cons of treatment options, then your medical agent steps into your place and makes decisions for you. You appoint your medical agent, but the medical agent doesn't do anything until the physician says that you're incapacitated. That's important. Remember that you're the one in control until you become incapacitated. Now, you're always going to name a primary medical agent, an alternate, and even a second alternate, because we never know what's going to happen. Your medical power of attorney, as I said, only becomes effective upon incapacity, and between the time that you do your medical power of attorney and it becomes effective, who knows what might have happened. Your primary agent might have become incapacitated himself or herself, so we have to name an alternate. We have to have backup.